So while I may not be the world's worst handyman, I'm definitely bad enough that it's probably not the best use of my time to be trying to do projects like this. So after some discussion, although I like working on things and I like getting involved in jobs, we've decided it's very important for me to use my time wisely.
You're bad at fixing things.
Like actually fixing things? I don't know. I guess you're okay. I mean, like actually like getting on the roof and stuff? I don't know, probably not. I don't really know.
Tell me, do I fix your stuff very often?
No, actually no, you're bad.
Okay, so
I
tell
think
You're really bad. Because you always just, yeah, you don't fix our stuff. The only thing you've actually fixed is like Eli's bunk bed. And that's not even very impressive.
You think I fix stuff for you very often, Eli?
No.
Not really.
Before you get sucked into doing handyman work that you may not be the best at, think about, what am I good at? Where's the value in my time? And how do I use my time in a way that's worthwhile? And how do I leverage other people's time where it's most useful? Hopefully this video gives you a few things to think about where your time is useful and how you can be leveraging your time to where it's most valuable. One thing I don't get about DIY stuff is doing DIY stuff to like save money. So like, it's gonna be cool saving some money rather than paying for a whole window replacement, being able to change the pane in the sash. But like, let's see how much you have to value your time at zero. It's like we started this thing at 10:30, and so by the time I drive, I get the pane cut, I get that in the sash. I gotta get paint because I gotta repaint the sash so it doesn't look like crap, and I gotta repaint the trim around the window. So by the time we do all that, it's gonna take the better part of my day, like driving around town and everything. So all of a sudden, a couple $100 to have somebody change it doesn't seem so expensive, but it's a day off and I want some entertainment. So this will be kind of cathartic to get to go out and just do something. But you gotta do this stuff for the entertainment value. You can't do it to actually save money. There's no way by the time we drive around and get the things that we need that I've actually saved money when you consider the time. But we'll have some fun doing this. So here you can see my younger son did a number on his window. In a fit of rage, decided to break out the windows. You can see no glass here. It's all broken. We've been rocking the plastic bag for a couple days, and so have a day off work, so we're gonna go ahead and replace this lower pane and get a new window pane in. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take off the jambs here, so that way we can pull out this window pane and take it in and get some new glass. The jamb is kind of shoddy. It's in two pieces there, and one piece down there, another piece up to the top. So we pulled off that bottom piece of jamb, Then over on this side, the bottom jamb was totally absent, and the wall had just been painted white where the jamb should be. And then the jamb started about halfway up, and we got that pulled off just enough that we could get the pane out. So now we have our window pane successfully pulled out, and we'll take that guy up to the glass shop, see if we can get the glass replaced and get it back in. So now we got the window sash pulled, so that's the pane, the frame that holds the pane and glass. So we got the window sash pulled, we got it in the back of the truck here, and we're going down to the glass shop to have them cut a new pane of 1/8" glass put in there, and then we'll get the sash back up in the window.